Hello, I'm Mark Christopher Ibritos, and our topic for today is what is Mandanas-Garcia ruling? And first of all, what is Mandanas ruling? Mandanas ruling. The Mandanas Doctrine clarifies that the share from the Internal Revenue Allotment, or the RAA, of the local government units, all what we call LGUs, does not include for other national taxes like custom duties. The exclusion of the other national taxes like custom duties from the base for determining the just share of the LGUs contraband the express constitutional edict in Section 6, Article 10 of the 1987 Constitution. Accordingly, the national taxes to be included in the base for computing the just share of the local government units shall not be limited to the following. And here we are. The letter A, the national internal revenue taxes enumerated in Section 21 of the National Internal Revenue Code collected by the Bureau of Internal Revenue and the Bureau of Customs. B. Tariff and customs duty collected by the Bureau of Customs. C. 50% of the value-added taxes collected in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, and 30% of all other national tax collected in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. And D. 60% of the national taxes collected from exploitation and development of the national wealth. E. 85% of the excise taxes collected from locally manufactured Virginia-type cigarettes and other tobacco products. F. The entire 50% of the national taxes collected under Section 106, Value-Added Tax on Sale of Goods or Properties, 108, Value-Added Taxes on Sale of Service and Use of Lease of Properties, and the 116, Tax on Persons Exempt from Value-Added Tax, or the VAT, of the NIRC as provided under Section 283. Disposition of National Internal Revenue of the NIRC, and the last 50% of the 25% tax given to the national government under Section 6 Republic Act number 6631 and Section 8 of the Republic Act number 6632. Mandanas-Garcia ruling. Gearing towards implementing the Supreme Court's and Mandanas-Garcia ruling in 2022, DILG-NCR conducted the first of its series of dialogue with its personnel last February 4. The Mandanas-Garcia ruling resulted from the petition made by the Batangas Governor Hermelando Mandanas and former Bataan Governor Enrique Garcia Jr. before the Supreme Court on Local Government Shares Internal Revenue Allotment. According to the petitioners, LGU shares should include all national taxes. The Supreme Court affirmed that the local government units are entitled to a just share on all national taxes collected, and not only from the Bureau of Internal Revenue. At present, LGU's RAA comes from 40% of national internal revenue taxes collected by the BIR. With the Mandanas-Garcia ruling implementation in 2022, it is projected that LGUs will have a 27.61% increase in the total IRA shares. The Mandanas-Garcia ruling conversation is part of the DILG-NCR The Mandanas-Garcia ruling conversation is part of DILG-NCR preparation to fulfill its role, functions, and services to fully implement the ruling in 2022 and contribute to the crafting of the ILG transition plan. Regional Director Maria Lourdes Agustin emphasized the importance of the capacitating the ILG NCR personnel on the Mandanas Garcia ruling as the main actors in its implementation. She shared that the office will conduct regular meetings with local chief executives to get their insights. OIC Assistant Regional Director Attorney Ana Lynn Baltasar Cortez and concurrent legal unit chief and DILG Quezon City Cluster Head Attorney Raymond Alcantara discussed the salient provisions of the Mandanas Garcia ruling, its impact, as well as the features of the draft executive order on full devolution. Meanwhile, Local Government Capacity Development Division Chief Helen Bersosa presented DILG Department Order 2020-609 creating the DILG Transition Management Committee and subcommittees tasked to lead and mobilize efforts to implement the Supreme Court Mandanas Garcia ruling. DILG NCR also created an online survey platform for its personnel to solicit insight and suggestion to capacitate the organization to implement the said ruling.